Tired of struggling with low tire pressure or wasting time waiting at crowded gas stations? Imagine having a fast, reliable way to keep your tires perfectly inflated wherever you go. Meet the Milwaukee M18 Tire Inflator with digital dual values display. Your convenient all-in-one solution for safer, smoother drives. About the product. The M18 Inflator offers fast, precise, and portable inflation, ideal for passenger and light truck tires, with a powerful motor delivering up to 150 psi. It can top off 33-inch tires in under a minute, ensuring quick performance. Its TrueFill technology automatically checks and stabilizes pressure before filling to the target level, while the auto shut-off feature prevents overinflation. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the Milwaukee M18 Quick Connector, User Manual, Air Nozzles, Product Description, Memory Button, Overload Indicator, Units Button, Power Button, Temperature Protection Indicator, Reach Target Indicator, Manual Inflate, Target Input Value, Actual Value, Units, Inflation Button, Digital Pressure Gauge, Plus, Minus Buttons, Handle, Hose, Schrader Chuck, Sports Needle, Inflator Nozzle, Presta Valve. How to use. First, connect the air hose. No tools are needed, simply tighten by hand. Then set the desired pressure. Once pressure is set, press the air button. Now inflate the tire to the set pressure. The unit will automatically shut off when the correct pressure is met. Specifications. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.